Imagine a singular divine essence, akin to the nature of water. Water can exist as ice, liquid, or steam, each manifestation distinct, yet fundamentally the same substance. Similarly, the Holy Trinity in Christianity embodies God as Father, Son Jesus, and Holy Spirit, three distinct persons coexisting in a divine unity. It's a mystery beyond full human comprehension, where the Father is not the Son is not the Spirit, yet all are intricately connected in a divine dance of love and purpose. The Trinity underscores unity, diversity, and relational love within the divine nature, a profound mystery that invites contemplation and deepens the understanding of God's multifaceted presence in the Christian faith.